Wasn't that good?
Seriously.
Yes, yes. There might be a time in your life when you need a good attorney, and that can be a stressful process as far as finding a good one. Farhan Naqvi from Naqvi Injury joins us to help us. Injury Law joins us to help us ease some of the concerns, and we have some viewer questions. Thanks, first of all, for being here, Farhan.
Well, thanks for having me, Kendall. Appreciate it.
We have some viewer questions, some common questions that people ask when it comes to finding a good attorney. And the first one is, how long will my case take?
Well, I would say that the vast majority of cases, the whiplash type neck and back injury type cases, usually take about 3 to 6 months. The key in those cases is that you never want to settle the case before you know 100% what's wrong with you. You only want to settle it when you make a full recovery, because once you sign that settlement release, that's it.
Yeah.
So if your neck's hurting 5 years down the line, you're out of luck. So I always urge the clients, when they ask me, I say, well, I can settle your case for $500 tomorrow if you want, and it'll take a day, but that's not what you want. You want to complete the treatment, you want to look at all avenues regarding your future, and then make a decision regarding a settlement amount that's right for you, and not just the first offer that's being offered.
Yeah, and that leads kind of to the next question that some viewers have, and that is, how much money am I going to get in this case?
Yeah, we get that question a lot, and the best way that I could explain is to equate it to a bar stool with 3 legs regarding value on case. The first leg of the bar stool is somebody needs to be at fault. If they're not 50% or more at fault, it doesn't matter what your injuries are, you get nothing. The second leg of the bar stool is you need to be injured. Little injuries, little value. Bigger injuries, particularly injuries that last a lifetime, much bigger value. And of course, the last leg of that bar stool is insurance.
Yeah.
The minimum in Nevada is $15,000, and if that's all they have, unfortunately, we've had very tragic cases recently with drunk drivers, drivers causing accidents while texting and driving. And if they're paralyzed, but the insurance company for the person that caused the collision only has $15,000 in coverage, it's a very unfortunate situation because that's all that they can get.
Well, yeah, and then there are some folks who have health insurance, or perhaps they don't have the best health insurance that's not going to cover all of the costs. What happens to those folks?
A lot of people have been asking, what happens if I don't have health insurance? How do I get the treatment that I need? And the answer is there are some extremely good doctors in this town that focus on helping people in accident and trauma cases that will wait until the end of the case to get paid. So for your viewers, I don't want health insurance to ever be a reason for someone to go to the doctor and get better, because that gap in treatment is not only horrible for their health, but it'll also kill their case, and that's not what they want to do.
All right, Farhan Naqvi, thanks so much for joining us today, and great advice.
Always
Appreciate it very much, and you can reach Farhan at this number. It is 702-INJURED, or naqvilaw.com. We'll be right back.